Is it a must that I will have to answer your greetings? Eh? Must I answer your greetings?
Mama, okay. Okay, will leave me, Mama. I just greeted you. I didn't say any other.
Hey! Tell me why I should answer your greetings. You want me to answer your greetings so I can go back to bed and wake up again this morning?
Mama, okay. Because, me. Oh, I hate me again. But I'm because I don't
Joy, whatever they call you. Don't greet me again. Keep your greeting to yourself. Or go and give it to your useless and hopeless mother. Nonsense. This is the last time you'll ever open your mouth to greet me. Don't greet me again. Okay? Go and tell your mother.
The only woman that does what a man cannot do. How are you this beautiful morning?
Hey, Jaffa, am I the one you are showering all these greetings for? Or are you talking to the spirits? Go and pay me the money you borrowed from me. Go and pay me. Or have you sworn that you will not pay me until you die?
But Mamoke, it is not my wish to owe you till I die. But...
But what? Pay me the money you borrowed from me now. You are the one looking for my trouble now.
You know that things are a little bit hard now, but I'll pay up very soon.
I have heard this one for the past 7 market weeks. And today, I am not going to listen to that again. You either pay me my money, or you go naked now. Give me my money.
Mbano, I will pay up very soon. Just be patient. Mamoke, I'm an elder. Mamoke. You can't do this. Stop what you are doing to an elder, Mamoke. Stop what you are doing to an elder. Mamoke,
why you
to an elder?
Because I'm leaving this one for you. You want to remove it? When you bring the money you are owing me, you take your rubbish elder material. Then
Igwe will hear this. Igwe must hear this, Mamoke. Igwe will hear this.
Ibe, you're my friend now. I can't lie to you. You're my friend.
Ujunga, I don't understand. What exactly are you saying? Tell me what you're saying exactly.
Ne, I will tell you everything. You know I will tell you. What I don't understand is why that girl will be saying things she doesn't know, saying stupid things about you.
Hey! What do you go? I've given that girl long rope, and she has not learned her lesson. Hey! I'm very angry now.
My sister, saying stupid things. I'm sorry to have kept you guys.
What is it? You are pardoning. But there's something with you saying here. This is baffling me.
What is it?
I don't understand it.
What you again? Take out in it. We heard that wagging her mouth. Open her mouth. You don't know what was saying. My sister, she can know now. Would you not know that? Everywhere, I'm very sure you would have killed that stupid girl if you heard what she was saying about you. Girl, you see how I am?
I'm very angry right now. I've given that stupid girl long rope. Still, she doesn't want to change. She wants me to kill her.
She needs it. She needs to be dealt with.
Ujunwa, I'm very angry right now. Only didn't see. Only going to Kapoki.
Ma'am,
give me that girl. Hi.
You know what? Let's go to the
stream
immediately. I'm very sure she's at the stream.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Please, let's go. Let me tell you a lesson. I will kill her.
Let's go.
I will kill her if I see that girl. I will see her.
You are sorry, my... Hold on. Thank you, my brother. You will not shut up. What did I do to you for? What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of what? What's the meaning of what? Meaning. That's what it means.
There's an adage that says, when a child refuses his mother from sleep, that child must stay to ensure that the mother does not sleep either.
This is what did to me. What I will do to you. Listen, you all have just fetched an ant-infested firewood. The lizard is waiting at your doorstep, and it will come to your house. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. You don't have to go to kill you. People are moving. Tell her what to do. You're not afraid. I'm not afraid of where? I'm shaking. Nobody will talk again. You will not shut your mouth. It's not what you're talking about. It's I am warning you. Chika, come let's go. Chika, would you come let's go there? God save her. By now, she'll be lying sick now. Stupid girl. You can call my name and leave up with this place. What I'm surprised is that she was just quiet. She was not even talking all those things. Don't mind her look. Don't mind her look. Even the devil is a very handsome man.
Hey!
Wait, how did you know? Let me explain myself.
Have you seen the devil?
Somebody I know. That knows somebody that is a cousin to them. What do you mean?
Chioma, I actually came to tell you people that one person can beat 1, 2, 3 big fat-headed fool. Chioma. Next time when you see me, run. If you see me coming that way, run through this way. Because if you don't,
That girl has woken the tigress in me. I tell you, she has woken the tigress in me. What I will do to the Chioma? What I will do to Chioma? Only God knows. She thinks she can flog me. Can you imagine? Flog me, Ebube. She cannot flog me. It's not possible. In the body's water. I could have dealt with her. Chioma. Okay, you feel. Again. This is not a stupid village here. Did I hear you say girl? Yes, Mama. Mama, that village girl. Which girl did this to you? You share commando. Mama, not just only me that's involved. Uju and Chika are also involved. How can she? Did she not ask questions? More to say, and she used big cane. I'm flogging my big bonbon. 27 lashes. I am going to that their dungeon, that call a house. I'm going there. I'm going to sort it out with them. How do you call her? Mama, let me follow you. I want to use my hand to flog her what she did. Don't go with me. I am your mother. I will go there and fight your battle and win. Eh? Let me go and show them that I'm still the daughter of Ochiaga, in case they have forgotten. How do you call her? Mama, please use long cane because what she did is very... Can I take a
Don't tell me that. I have told you times the number that fighting is not an option. Hey, why did you go and fight Ebube? They're looking for my job.
A tigress tail has just been touched, and the tigress has come for retribution. You stinking mosquito! You dare touch my only daughter?
Yeah, Mama OKEY. Are you always drunk?
Oh yes. For the first time in your life, Monica, you have spoken the truth. I am drunk. Anger has made me drunk. Eh? This your stinking mosquito of a daughter, Usungada. This lay her filthy hands on my only daughter. Eh? Are you? Mama OKEY.
Mama, leave her now.
Mama OKEY, leave.
Mama, leave my daughter. Mama, leave her alone. Leave her. Let her do what?
Leave my daughter alone.
Mama OKEY.
Yeah.
Let me tell you. Go back and tell that useless daughter of yours that I've not started yet. By the time I am done with her, she will learn her lessons. And she will be a better daughter. Mama, leave me out. I want to feel her name. Leave my daughter.
Leave my daughter alone.
Leave me alone.
Leave my daughter alone.
I'm Unsu.
Why are you running away? Why she sits down, what will you do? See. She's standing it as if she's even sitting. Stinking mosquito.
Hey.
You dare confront me? Jukwase, Makada mama. Oh wow. Next time you lay your filthy hands on my daughter, I will show you that no one trifles with fire, no matter how small.
I will also show you that water and fire are separate enemies. Mama OKEY, stay away from my daughter. Oh. Stay away from my daughter. Because if you try me, I will put you out. Try me and see.
Hey, Mama OKEY. Hey, Onyem Piari. Lioness. Tigress. You dare talk to me anyhow. Now I have seen that the chicken has suddenly developed teeth in the night. No problem. I am going, but I'll be back to tell you that water is nothing to fire.
Hey! Hey! Mama, if you come here again, I say shut up. Mama,
I don't need to come back tomorrow. Do it now. And I will tear you like a lion.
Where are you?
I will tear you like a lion.
Are we to go here now? You have seen it.
Mama OKEY, please, just get back to your compound.
Let her to come.
Mama OKEY, Mama OKEY, Mama OKEY, anywhere she enter, she kill them all. Anywhere she go, Mama OKEY,
Money can hide you.
Mama OKEY,
I will never let go.
Mama OKEY, kill them.
I will so deal with
Mama
them
OKEY,
in their life. Whenever they hear about Mama OKEY, they will take them
anywhere she enter,
their side. Open with side.
anywhere she go,
Mama OKEY. Good afternoon.
anywhere she enter.
Greetings from the palace will not do me any good. It will not solve any of my problems. I'm heading towards my house.
But we cannot go to the palace without delivering the message from His Highness.
Are you daft? What is my business with your message? Go ahead and deliver your message. Am I stopping you?
Mama OKEY, this message is for you.
For me?
Yes, of course.
No. You are not sure. Go and look for whoever has that message. It's not for me.
If you don't respect yourself, will force you right now to the palace.
Force me?
Yes.
I am going nowhere. The only place I'm going to now is my house. That's where I'm heading.
You want to try yours?
Don't let me follow. You can carry me, but I will not follow. If I fall, you will bring cow. It is only a blind child that will do that. I brought you up to be a good girl, not a street fighter.
Mama, I am a good girl. I still am. It's just that those girls, Mama had to do what I had to do. If you see what those girls did to me at the stream.
Chioma, you and I know that Mama OKEY is capable of anything. Eh? Look, the best way to stay out of trouble is to avoid it.
I was on my own. No. I was on my own when those girls came to the stream. I was just on my own. I didn't do anything to them. I just had to show them that one person can actually beat three. I'm going hungry.
I no go. Odemma, kill you in Wachuku. One person can actually flag three and go scot-free. Chioma, be warned. Be warned. Never ever you fight again. Never. Do you hear me? I don't want to hear such stories again.
Yes, ma'am.
Take this. Go and sign it for me. Sign it for me. Sorry for yourself. Go and sign that. You can imagine people coming to tell me. Sign it this way.
Anywhere she go.
How can you say that to come and bring me like this? Eh? I have lost everything, even my earrings.
Omoge, you are a total disappointment.
Oh no. Mechonogi, what is your business? Who invited you into this matter? Eh? Who invited you? We are looking for who will give you a bottle of wine. How can I not do what I can do to collect my money from somebody who came to borrow money from me? I will do everything within my power to collect it.
So after all you have done to this man, you're not even remorseful. You still have the audacity to talk nonsense in the presence of His Royal Highness.
Anyway, I'm not talking nonsense. I don't even have the intention of insulting you or disrespecting you. Igwe, how can this man come to my house to ask me to lend him some money? 7,000 naira. Eh? I refused to give him more. When he now said he was going to add a little thing when he's giving it back to me, I said, okay. For 7 market weeks, 7, I've been begging him to give me back my money. He refused. I'm going to give him a pecker. I'm everything. So that he can give me back my money. That's why I did what I did to him.
Now listen, woman. You don't have the right to touch the red cap of my cabinet member, not to talk of removing and saving it. A red cap chief in Umuakwala kingdom.
But he had the right to come and borrow money from me.
And now, you don't even go to borrow money from somebody when you know you cannot pay.
Guys, come on, the first one you said was engineered by this one. Oh, yeah.
Now listen. I will give you 10,000 naira.
Hey! I said it. I don't know when you changed. This is my Igwe. Try to add a little to it now. Nowadays.
God, you go with a Jofo to her house. And you give him back all that you took away from him.
One time. Once you give me that money, one time. You know you come back. You come to borrow another one. Once he borrows money from me, I'll give him. But he's going to return it on time. With interest. There was some piagi pieces. Piagi will go mark Cadico. We got it.
Okay.
No.
What is happening to you? You look flustered, dejected. What's the problem?
Oh no, my heart is heavy.
Your heart is heavy.
Yes or no?
What can probably be making Okek's heart heavy? Come on, talk to me. You know you can talk to me.
Who else if not Mama Okay?
I'm okay.
Oh no, yes, Mama Okay.
I'm okay again?
She has transferred her evil and wicked attitude to her daughter. And the daughter in turn is trying to transfer same attitude to my daughter Chika. I confronted Mama Okay and she insulted and called me names.
Mama Okay insulted you?
Yes.
Okay. Why is this woman creating so much problems here? Why is she creating problems that she cannot even solve?
Oh no, the Igwe has to do something about her attitude. It is actually getting out of hand.
Yes, the Igwe will do something, but let me tell you something. Keep it to yourself, okay?
No wonder Ejiofor did not say anything. Oh no, Mama Okay will meet her end very soon.
Very, very soon. So you go home and train your own child on the right path, okay? What goes around comes around. Whatever anyone does, the end justifies the means. And whatever anyone does, the end justifies the means, okay? But meanwhile, okay, cheer up, because you look... cheer up, okay?
Thank you, no. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. All right.
When your father was still alive, I used to fight all his wars for him and bring victory for him. Hey. That made him the most feared and revered person amongst his age grade in this village. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
Mama, amen. Mama, I have one question to ask.
Go ahead. Mama will gladly answer you.
Mama, is gossiping good?
Gossiping is very bad. It destroys relationships and friendship. Very bad.
Thank you very much, Mama. Somebody in this village is saying all sorts of things bad about me. Mama, the person wants to tarnish my good image. And if I don't put a stop to it, hey! This village, the whole village will believe what she's saying about me.
There's no darling these days. Mama, okay. Go out there and confront whoever it is that is trying to destroy your name.
Mama, I don't understand.
Go out there. Take what belongs to you. If you don't do it, those who are stronger than you will take what belongs to you.
I'm okay.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to transfer the Ichaka to you. What kind of a girl is that?
Thank you.
So that they will keep their mouth shut. If it is possible, buy key. Use it and lock their mouth.
Okay. Thank you, Mama.
There's something I'm not comfortable with.
What is that?
Mama, you're becoming too soft at heart.
Chioma. Will a day pass without me getting a hard to answer question from you?
Okay.
Let me hear it.
Mama, I don't want to make mistakes. And that's why I keep asking you questions. Yes. Okay. You run away from trouble. And the same trouble comes looking for you every time, even in your house. What do you do then?
But Chioma, be honest with me. Are you up to something? Hey, be honest with me. Are you up to something?
Mama, why would you say that? I'm only curious. I'm not up to anything. I'm not up to anything, Mama.
Curiosity. See, before trouble comes to your home, then something must be attached to it. Let me tell you. Look, only a wise person stays out of trouble. Hey, nobody here is well. Eh? Thank you, Mom.
Mamuke onye mchaka chaka sibafa Mamuke onye mkuka kuka sibafa Mamuke onye mchaka kill them all Mamuke onye mkuka anywhere she enter she go kill them all.
Am I not beautiful? Beautiful. So now I'm mine.
Anywhere she enter
You are the most beautiful girl in this town. Ahugo, my investment. Adam Juleju. Oh. Why are you asking? Did anybody say you are off? No. So what happened? Whoever makes you angry is making me angry. Just tell me what it is. Mazuti said he likes me. That's not even my annoyance. That lover. Eh? Hey. What do you call us? Does he not know you are my daughter? Eh? The daughter of Mama OKEY, the one and only daughter of Mama OKEY. How will Hannah address Mama? Eh? Mama, he said he wants me to be his third wife. God forbid. Did they drink or go kai kai? What is his problem? Where did you meet him? I saw him on my way from the town hall. I know he's going there to drink off his useless life. Okay. Let me go and set my eyes on him. Eh? Just go about your business. Go and do what you're supposed to do in the house. Eh? Let me go. Eh? Go! They shouldn't play joke with my investment. Eh? Others are going for Mugo in America, in London. I'm coming. I'm dead. A big young one.
But you have to leave at once, eh? Just go. Take it cool now. Why? Just go, eh? Don't worry, I'll come and explain to you later, please.
Chika, what is wrong with you?
Cool now. But Chika, would you?
Chika!
Yes, Papa.
Don't leave this house today. Do otherwise and damn the consequences. Do you hear me? Oku naga wala wala. Anya naga wala wala na afia.
Why must palm wine finish in the whole village? I'm going to all the houses of the palm wine tappers in this village, and they must tell me why they allow palm wine to finish. Eh? If only I had some bottles, then I will be agile enough to teach my two wives a lesson in the house. Is that not Mama Okoye? And who knows where she's going? Okay.
Hey. Come here.
Mama Okoye, good afternoon.
If you talk again, I am going to descend on you now. Don't open your mouth and say anything, you lover.
Look, Mama Okoye, I'm not a small boy that will command anyhow. I'm a man.
You are a man. I said you should slap me. I will slap you again if you open your mouth to talk rubbish. You lover.
You are slapping me.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do one. Let's.
Okay. Let me go and come.
Okay. Go and come.
I will teach you a lesson. In this village.
When you come back, you will apologize to me and my family and my daughter for insulting us. You will not touch this bicycle again. Look at you, loafer. Want to make my daughter third wife. Onyoshi. It's your answer. Come back now. Before you can touch this bicycle again, you must come and apologize. See that
See this woman, she get up for wahala. See this woman, she get them for trouble. No try that woman, she get them for very well. You get the power, she go show you say you know that.
Just know this bicycle.
I'm okay, good day.
Okonkwo, how are you?
Fine, man.
This one you are greeting me today. Am I safe?
I'm okay, you're safe. But something caught my attention.
What caught your attention?
Mama Okoye, you are not the owner of this bicycle. It belongs to Oti. How come you are with it? Or he gave it to you on borrow?
Why don't you stop like a woman? Go and ask Oti by himself. Let him tell you. Go and ask Oti.
Mama Okoye, you either tell me how you got this bicycle or you give it to me.
Come and touch it. Okonkwo, come now. If I descend on you, I will finish you. Pata pata. And my cook. Okay. Okonkwo Abajango. You just came back from Abajango. You have forgotten who Mama Okoye is. Ado Chiaga. And my kupisi, and my kugogo. Mpekasi kita kukagi. Pekasi. You are fighting for Mr. Mazioti. Come and take it.
As she dey come, she no get to break you. If she jam you, na die you dey. If she touch you, na scatter you be. If she jam you, you no go escape. I dey tell you.
Okonkwo, Oti, huh? What is Mama Okoye doing to her bicycle?
No, come on, that wicked woman, she sees my bicycle.
You are joking. What did you do to her that makes her seize your bicycle?
Nothing, no. Nothing. I can't the quarter. I just met her daughter and asked her if she could be my third wife. Is it a crime? The girl ran home and I called her mother to come and fight me and take my bicycle. Bicycle njagare benine. Ejubo ejemba ejaya. Now na gonna catch you fine. That dog was not on Simpiaka. Oga Fuya call Simpiaka up on Oboda. That woman, enough is enough. That nonsense is over.
I believe her father is a good.
Ojo, but she's old enough to take decisions on her own than listening to that ancient food father.
But you still cannot blame the man. I don't blame Mazi Okeke. He's still bitter over his own decision.
Ojo,
Noggin.
don't be deceived. Gone are those days when parents force marriages upon their only children. Not nowadays. Just are wise now. How can you say? Yeah, I'm even happy that Izu did not marry her.
How? Well, you left on foot. I returned with bicycle. Oh. That is why your mother is Onyem Chako. Onyem Piadiko. Eh? This bicycle belongs to Oti. And if he doesn't come here to apologize to me for insulting you, insulting me and this entire family, he will not touch this bicycle again. Hey! Mama! Mama, okay?
He doesn't come.
That is better. Then I'll start making use of the bicycle. Oh no, Mama, okay? Mama! This Mama, okay? You cannot take me. I'm a piadi mpiako, and that is exactly what I want to teach my daughter here. Onyem piadi. Onyem piako. Mama, okay? Mao! Mao!
Ekene, I thank God for the Hamatan which has made it possible for us to see the annals of the hen.
You really have much to do so that you have enough on you before you finally settle down with Mazi Okeke's daughter. Chai, Izuchuku, but I thought both of you are not going to solim.
What I'm saying is this. I thank God that I now know the real Chika.
So what exactly are you talking about?
Chika is not a wife material. She's not.
Izu, tell me you are telling me the truth. Or, are you pulling my leg?
I'm not pulling your leg. I am not. I'm telling you the truth. I am not going to continue with a marriage arrangement.
Izuchukwu, what becomes of Chika? But Izuchukwu, tell me, what exactly did she do that made you change your mind about her?
Ekene, let's get going.
What exactly?
When we get to the farm, I'll tell you everything.
What are you saying?
It is not it. You won't understand. Hey.
Would you? I'm not happy. Huh? I'm not happy that Chika is not here with us. It used to be 3 of us that go to fetch firewood. Oh? I think it's that her old father that restricted her from following us.
I don't know. I don't know what to believe. Maybe her father now believes all the rumors in the village.
Huh? Would you rumor?
You mean you have not heard?
I've not heard though.
Hey! Ebube one name. You did not hear? It was said that you and I are the reason Izu changed his mind about Chika.
Oh, this is a lie!
I still don't understand the whole story. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Which I'm very angry now. I'm boiling inside me. Izu, why would I want to marry Izu now?
Your eyes, ask me.
Would you? This is looking for my trouble. Seriously? So Moabu Ebube, kids are called the best son. Ebube, kids are called best son. Eh?
No, I heard something.
Will you please tell me, what did you hear? I'm boiling.
Calm down, relax. Wait. Somebody I know that knows Izu said that somebody told Izu, and Izu said that he cannot marry a girl whose friends are gossips. Gossip, that's what they called me. Me. Mua. Gossip. Now that bastard now. Me. That boy. That's Izu. Who's that boy called?
Uji, I'm very angry. Uji, I'm boiling. I feel like killing somebody now. Eh? Your friends are gossip. That means that they tag me as gossip now. So they... Oh! Izu,
Ebube, what is it?
Izuchukwu!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name as if you're in distress? Why?
Lele, what makes you think I'll call your name even if I'm in distress? Eh? Yes.
So, what are you doing in my farm, if I may ask?
Your father's farm, not your farm. Your late father's farm.
Yes, it is my late father's farm. It is my inheritance, okay? And it belongs to me now. So none of you, nobody can dispute that.
Because of this small farmland, that's your late, smelling, ugly father left for you. Does that give you the right to go about in this village spoiling our good names? What right do you have, Ichukwu? Tell me!
Let me tell you, Willie. I have tolerated your insults enough. Both of you. I have tolerated your insults. Until let me tell you, if people don't live here,
what will you do? What will you do if we don't leave?
Biakon, let me tell you. The moment you change your mind about Chika, you lost. You lost everything.
One more thing. You could have come out straight and say you don't have money. In a man guy, Apashisha, Ijiro, Kabo, Ijiro. They're spoiling our precious name. We are good girls from good families. Why spoil our names? Izuchukwu? Why? Every Nigerian can be from our boy. Organic messing. Judge Kwese. Jukwese, Makamamo OKEY.
So both of you should just live here.
Judge Kwese, Makamamo OKEY. Izuchukwu. Izuchukwu.
You can't do anything. You cannot do anything.
And talk to me. My own inheritance, my father's land. You let my father get to me that I'm suffering now. Okay, come now. Who is Chika? Who is Chika? Okay, don't worry.
Ujungwa, you know the last person I picked up last week is still in coma. I know now. I know. You see, you're so lucky. I'm not in the mood of fighting. I swear. My morale was not up. It was very down. I trust you. I trust you. I know what you can do. I can't melera poniano. I'm not going to see lepo bobo. Not cobese. Would you? Izuchukwu must marry Chika.
He doesn't have the choice. Izuchukwu must marry Chika. Otuankule Akodi, you marry her.
Bet what is going to happen now? I'll beat the living day out of her. Get there. Come, put your manga. Sit down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. I said kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Put your kneel down. Kneel down. I'm kneel down. Go kneel on the floor. Kneel down. Kneel down. Put your man. Put your money down. I said kneel down. Put your money down. Kneel down. Okay. Kneel down. Kneel down. Put your one kneel down. Put your one. Kneel down. Put your money. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Hey. What? Kneel down. Put your money. Are you mad? Are you mad? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Are you mad? Come here. Are you mad? Come here. Come here. You can't. Come here, mommy. You think you're fine? Who are you hissing for? Just one thing. Who are you? Who are you hissing for? Who did you? Leave me alone. You some. I'm going. I will quit living there. I will quit. Put your mama. 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 Hey, put your mama. Put me down, no. Put your mama. Put your mama. Hey, put your mama. Hey, put your mama.
Face is like this. Who annoyed you?
If not you,
Who else?
Me. What did I do?
Since morning you left to go and fetch firewood. I waited for you. I did not see you. I had to go and fetch this small firewood to make food for myself. Warm the soup so that I will be able to eat.
Mama, it's not like that. I know I came back late, but if you see what happened in the bush, Mama, look, if you see the mighty snake I saw in the bush. Snake? How will I describe it now? How? Bigger than you. Very big. Mama, I have never seen anything like that.
I hope you did not bite.
No, we ran now. We ran for our lives. We waited somewhere for the snake to pass. Gently and quietly. Mama, if not for you, I wouldn't have risked my life entering that bush to fetch this firewood for you.
Hey, Adabeke.
You see things I do for you. You see?
Sorry. Sorry, Mom. My God will always protect you. Say amen.
Mama, amen. Just get now. You should cook for me. I suffered today.
Yes.
I worked hard.
There's food for you now.
Here's the food.
It's inside. It's inside.
Chioma, what is it? Huh? What? Huh? What did I say? Wait. What did I say? Flesh. Huh? Sorry. Wait, just try and stand. Just a little bit. Stop. Sorry. But did this? Sorry. Just come now. Let me carry. Try.
Chioma. I said, talk to me. Isu, what happened to my daughter?
Mama, just calm down, okay? It won't happen again.
No. You have to tell me what happened before you tell me it won't happen again. Chioma, give me again. Why do you have bruises on your face? Hey!
Mama, it won't happen again.
What can we see? Ebuba, who did this to you? Ebube, Mama, okay? Ogo. Can you hear Mama, okay? Gas na me kwalia. Can you Mama, Ogo me kwa na me kwa. Mangosi, sinyonu no kwa. Ogo no kwalia. Can you me wanya? Can you do mweti ha? Can you me wanya? O me uzi na gini aga Mama pulie. Mama, please.
Go. I have top sense into her. It won't happen again. Just calm down.
Isu, leave me. Let me go. Let me go. Where would I get off my daughter? Why? Isu, Isu, rap back in him. I have top sense into her. It won't happen again. It won't happen. Look at her face. Can you want me? Isu, rap more. Nengozo, una fugo, moke. Nengozo, una fugo. Nengozo, how long will I keep leaving this woman to keep up like this? That is the only my only daughter alone. Ozokwor.
Okay, Mama okay, onye koka sebafa. Mama okay, onye chaka, kill them all. Mama okay, onye koka, scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, chaka she go kill them all. Anywhere she go, chaka she go scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, chaka she go find them all. Anywhere she go, chaka she go chance them all. See this woman, she get up for wahala. See this woman, she get them for trouble. No try that woman, you get them for real well. You get the power, she go show you say you know get them. You get the mind, she go scatter you well. You be king, no before her. In a team, Tibapam no cross island. Mama okay, when you chaka sebafa. Anybody will know this woman come up for road. As she dey come, she no get to break you. If you jam you, now then you go there. Mama okay, onye chaka sebafa. Mama okay, onye koka sebafa. Mama okay, onye chaka, kill them all. Mama okay, onye koka, scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, chaka she go kill them all. Anywhere she go, chaka she go scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, chaka she go find them all. Anywhere she go, chaka she go chance them all. Anybody will know this woman, come up for road. As she dey come, she no get to break you. If she jam you, na die you dey. If she touch you, na scatter you be. If she jam you, you no go escape. I dey tell you, I dey tell you. That's so easy. Mama okay, Mama okay, onye chaka sebafa. Mama okay, onye koka.
Wait,
Mama, take it easy. Take it easy, spilling me.
Sorry. You know this will help it heal fast, oh? Let me press it. Don't worry. Those people, they will receive their reward. Those village monsters, they will receive their reward very soon.
Mama, you said that countless times. How many times have they been punished? And how long are they going to continue punishing us in this village? They keep tormenting us. They make things difficult for us.
And I don't seem to get an answer. But believe me when I tell you this time, that God will surely pay them back. Believe me when I tell you this time, that God will surely pay them back.
I wish Papa was alive. I wish Papa was alive. He would have done something to stop this people from tormenting us.
What do you want me to do? I've left it.
Well, Igwe, I'm a bit worried because during the last Ofala, I remember very well that this palace was filled with farm produce and a whole lot of people were here. But this year seems very dry.
Igwe, God. Igwe, live long. You will live long, Igwe. You are the only good man in this community. Only you. All these elders that occupy your seat here, they just come to take what does not belong to them. Igwe, you are the only good man. You will live long. I just came to report myself to you. Apiaka. Igwe, Apiaka. That he came that spoke all around the place. He went and hid himself under Mong. And beat up my daughter, my one and only daughter. I don't know Ibom. My investment. Beat her up. I think she doesn't have anybody. I went and sought for him and found him. If you see he came the moment he was holding, I tore it into pieces.
You mean you did this?
Why would I do it? If you are my children, what will you do? How can it be an abomination? Is he came holy? He came holy. It's only when a holy man enters under the masquerade becomes holy. Otherwise, it is ordinary. He pleaded with my daughter to befriend me. The guy refused. He now went under the monk. I just came to report myself to you before all these lying elders will come and tell you the wrong story. They will use their useless boots and be spoiling your chair for you. Igwe, I have reported myself to you. Imana hada ajuase. Open hana ajuase. Ha ka mago. Na obokwa mgwa o, obokwa mku. Makomonye gwa o, ihe gwa o. Igwe, apịarị ha nakwa m. Ha jukwa ase maka ada mama. Onye mpịaka. Ịpịa m mpịa dị pieces. Let me see
Igwe, are you sure she actually did that? And she has the guts to come in here and see?
Don't forget about rumors. Rumors will keep flying. But the thing is, whoever is carrying the rumor, let the person come and stand before you and say anything. Ma Piaka. Hey! Piaka Sianya.
My Ozokwor. That is why I love you, Mama. You don't take nonsense at all.
Your mother is Onyem Piaka.
Hey!
Onyem Piaka.
Mama, okay. Hey, Nemo Diego. Hey! Ma.
Hey! Who do we have here?
I'm okay. Good evening, ma.
Mazioti, the man that wants to marry Mama Okey's daughter. Nwa buliru, buluku, enenebe jolo, the one and only Onobeze, Abe Mama Okey. Adadiora mma, nwa juleju, nwa na-adịrị Igbo n'obodo a. Hey! Mazioti. Lele, obom ndị gba stew.
Please, Mama Okey. I'm here to collect my bicycle.
But you have not apologized yet. You have to apologize to me first.
Mama, this is keke.
Please forgive me. I am sorry for what happened in the morning.
Okay, that apology is for me. Have you apologized to my daughter? My Ozokwor. I don't know anything else.
Ebube, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Lily, apologize to her the right way now. This is not the way to apologize to her.
Ebube, please forgive me. I will never again ask you to be my wife.
Mama, okay.
Okay, no problem. Okay. You can go and carry your keke.
Ebube, thank you.
Lele, you go cafe golu. Can you no no ka? Ma, if you can work in, if you thanks sir. Hey, Mama, okay. Onyem Piaka. Lele, the queen. Keke, the John no best. This one is keke. La pep. Mama, or pepe. Okay. Mama, okay. Onyem Piaka. Ma. Onyem Piaka. You go sweat kenegi. Why can't you look at him? Hey! Alright, I'm going to you. Mama, okay. Onyem Piaka. Hey!
Mama, okay. Onyem Piaka. Piaka Sebafa. Mama, okay. Onyem.
Mazi Ejofa.
The only Mama Okey in this village.
Mazi.
See how beautiful you are looking. And when you smile, you even look younger.
Did you dream about me?
No, I did not dream about you, but good thing don't hide, you know now.
I hear you. So, my friend, how are you? And how is your family?
We are good. How about your own family?
My daughter, she's fine. She's doing well.
That's good.
I'm going to the market now. Don't worry, I'll send the Ruby to bring the things I bought for you.
That's good. I'll be waiting though. Thank you. Mama Okey.
Did you forget something?
No, I didn't forget anything. I heard some rumors.
Mazi Ejofa, at your age, you're still listening to rumors. You should grow above these things now. Don't mind all those rumors. If they have anything against me, let them talk to me face to face, one-on-one. Come, Piaka. Don't mind them. Oh? I'll get you the things and we'll bring it.
Abanawa, you will surely meet your true one day.
Anyway, she enter. she go kill them all. Anywhere she go, she go scatter them all.
If you name it mama, oh Malisha. But we say meti mama, oh Malisha. The way you move your body is killing my body, baby. Hold me, baby. Let me tell you something.
Otitoma, Nwa Maramba. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine. I go for
Yes, so I am, but I still feel weak.
You see, what you need now is for you to rest the whole of today. If you rest the whole of today, by tomorrow you'll be better. Oh?
I know. I pray so too. But are you going to the farm?
No. I came to spend the whole of today with you. What up, Mama?
Mama went to the market. But did you say you want to spend time with me?
Are you surprised?
Yes, I am. But if you stay here with me, what will you be doing?
You're asking me. Eh? You're asking me. You're asking me. Me, Zuchuku. Don't worry. Come and sit down. Come and rest. Oh? Hi. Just sit down and watch it. Oh? You know what your body's doing. And Mom will be expecting you to do something that you can't do. So I'll help you and then go. And then just watch me. So this place like this. You like it, yeah? So I'm going to help you. So what's my fault? You know that you don't have fun. Oh?
Don't worry, eh? I can soup it. Please don't do it.
I don't want anything to happen to you. You know I told you that you need to rest for one full day. Oh, so you just have to rest today. And rest tomorrow. So that by tomorrow evening, then by this time, you'll be better. Oh? Hey.
We didn't leave you. We didn't want to get you into trouble. That's why you've not been seeing us as usual. Nothing more. And would you hear told me how your father beat you up just because someone saw her talking with you and the person went and told your father? Hey, Uju, my friend, don't worry. Everything will fall into place. You see Izu, and that's the big girl. By the time we finish with them, I know Izu will come running after you, asking for forgiveness. Let's bet now. You see. Don't feel bad though. I know that.
That girl made Izu change his mind about me. She made Izu change his mind about me. Hey. By the time I'm through with her. Eh? Hey. It will never be well with that girl. My sisters, it will never be well with her.
Amio. I say amen to that. It will never.
Yes, so we're on the same page with you. If you see what we did to her. You don't trust. You don't trust. We dealt with her.
Seriously?
I'm sure by now she'll be indoors receiving hot water treatment.
What me and Uju did to her, she will not forget in a hurry. If that girl recovers, I know she will not near OKEY. She will retrace her track. Unless she's not sensible enough. Unless Uche Koliako. She will not go close to his again.
Don't worry. It's like my father is back.
We should go. I heard his voice. We should go.
Take care of yourself. We'll see you later.
Don't feel bad though.
No, I'm not feeling bad.
We'll come back later.
Hey, Papa. Papa.
Are you sure this girl has not gone out?
Chica!
Yes.
Where have you been?
I was at the backyard.
And you didn't hear my calls?
But I was washing at the backyard. I came immediately, I heard your voice. Is there anything you want me to do for you?
Chika! 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 I called you 3 times. What an elder sees is sitting, you will not see even if you climb on top of the tree. Because an elder does not see with normal eyes. Experience has made him wiser. Why am I saying this? Ebube's mother, whom I have always warned you about, has done the worst. She fought at the market square.
Oh. Papa, how come? How manage?
Well, I didn't bother to ask for details because I know she will do it.
Ebube, what do we do to Izu to make him return to Chika?
I'm still thinking, no. Uju, I think I should tell my mother. You know my mom is good with giving advice.
Okay?
Yes. She'll come up with something good, I know.
Look, I feel so bad for Chika. True, I feel so bad for her. And as for what's that her name? Chioma, Abi what? She's yet to see what will happen to her in this village. She's yet to understand it.
I think we should cripple her. If we cripple her now, Izuchukwu will not see anything good in her. And he will go back to Chika. No, Chika is our friend. We have to protect her interest. Why? That one is good, though. That cripple.
Hey, where have you been?
Ikem, what's your problem? What is it now? Why are you shouting my name? Ejigogwo, am I owing you? Let me warn you, I'm not your mate too. Go on for another girl to chase. You come and be chasing fine girl like me. Are you blind? Ijego.
Hey, baby, please calm down and hear me out, please.
My friend, say what you came here to say. Stop seeking for nonsense recognition because you don't get it. No time for children here. Say what you came to say and go.
Well, no, Lily. Nna Gabon and Kobudo, so can they well live? What's up? Your mother fought at the marketplace and has been taken to the Igwe's palace.
Hey! In our corporate set. Ne? A plan lady. Can't we get attention? Because you're African, you're Lily. You gonna try? Nonsense. Look at this go to. The one
Are you sure he doesn't know what he's saying?
Would you? You of all people. So you believe what this lunatic just said about my mother?
Let's just be sure.
Yeah, I know my mother cannot fight in the market.
I know too, but let's be sure. Let's check.
Would you?
Let's go. Let's check.
You see, I will disappoint both of you. I know my mother will not. We will never fight in the market. We will never.
Your Highness, my decision is not out of wickedness. But if I let them go without replacing all they spoiled, how do my family feed?
No one is blaming you for the decision you took.
That is not fair.
And what is not fair?
How can you tell me to also contribute in paying her back? What was the story when we were fighting? When she was the one that fought me? Me fought you. You fought you.
Now hold on, the two of you. Who amongst the two of you attacked the other one first?
She shut it up! I was only trying to defend myself. I was defending myself. Igwe, thank God that at least she voiced the truth. You think I'm you? You think I'm a liar like you?
Now listen, both of you.
You have only 7 days to replace whatever you damaged. Oh no, we'll tell you the punishment. And this, my decision, is final.
Anyway she enter, she go kill them. Anyway she go, she go scatter them. Anyway she enter, she go find them. Anyway she go, she go chance them all.
Go back there, go back. What is it?
We're here to see my mother.
And so?
Somebody told me that my mother is in the palace. That's why I'm here.
Is that why you're not allowed to be place? You can't see your mother, you have to eat here. I said you should go back. Are you there? Can't you have something going on inside the palace and you're here and I want to see your mother? Are you the only person that has the mother?
Let us ask him. Maybe he knows what happened.
Okay, that's true. Olga, I want to ask you what my mother did.
As what?
Why she was brought here.
My friend, go back!
Hey,
if you want to know anything about your mother, I have to wait until she comes. She'll be the better person to tell you that.
Yay! Do you know why you're no?
I'm saying now. Now, do my good go. Ebo, you go now. I know you go back.
Because you're standing at the palace gate as in Gitman now, GM.
Just question.
You are not the only person that has mother in this village. We cannot listen. We cannot have a peace in this kingdom because of you and your mother. All the time, I'm okay. Everywhere, I'm okay.
You freak, you read.
No, who's standing in your front? Hey!
I'm standing.
How do you go?
You get yourself into trouble very soon if you don't go out of this place.
Now go ahead. Waiting that gate thing say she be. Eh? Waiting that make her hair swell. Which kind of thing will be this?
Now her beauty now. That don't matter.
Now the konya kanata matter. Maka no bunke no bulunkan. Osia mama. See, make I tell you, eh? The beauty of a woman lies in her character.
See, listen, in her case, you are right. But she doesn't know. And her mama was supposed to teach her, no teacher.
Mama go teacher. What is her mama sabi? Now to go fight for market now.
Huh? Oh, you don't know. On the PM the lumber.
Mamu okay go fight for market now. You know what vex me? I dey stop a bube, make I tell her. The girl come dey insult me. The girl come finish me. Eh? Now the girl enter me so this thing vex me enter marrow. My bone marrow, I dey tell you. I don't feel forgive a bube for my life.
No. Chat one. You can mama. No, I say something. Kick her mother first. Now, I'm going to go to the first. Only her kid, okay. Kick her mother one day. Come on, man, something no smoke.
And I'm going with this. Smoke.
You want to say something, kid, okay?
I'm going to leave it.
No, so we're going to okay first. No,
hey! No, the game is with take care. Give us to take care. Okoye.
No matter now.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. One less, they go to get her mother first. Yeah? Man, we boogie. Mother.
If you name it, mama, oh baby.
Are you not tired? I think you should rest. You fetched firewood. You cut the grass behind the house. You even peeled cassava. Be cool. You should rest.
I'm not tired, my love.
I know, but I still think you should rest.
See, I'm doing all this because I have true intentions for you.
What about Chika?
I'm going to go.
Mama? What happened?
I fought that wicked woman today.
Which woman?
Mama okay now.
Mama okay.
I fought her today. That woman has swallowed more than she can chew, and somebody needed to remind her that. Look at what she did. Tore my clothes.
It's okay.
Are you sure she did not hurt you?
Are you sure she? That woman is taking my quietness for granted, oh. Taking my quietness for granted. Why are you?
Let me tell you something girl about you that is killing my body. I need to tell you, Mama, okay.
Monica has touched the tail of the tigress. And she's going to find it hot in this village. I will so deal with her in this village, yeah? That she will not ever forget in her life that I'm saying Mama okay.
Anyway, she enter.
Anyway, she made the worst mistake in her life by fighting me in the market. What actually caused the fight? My daughter, I did not fight her. I did not fight her. I beat Monica up like a baby. And I succeeded in pushing her into a nest shop. She now poured and spoiled Agnes. Mama, I trust you now. Just like you beat up her. Yeah! Oh, come back. We all know.
You get in mind. She go scatter you well.
The list of the goods destroyed in Agnes shop now. And then the penalty for fighting in the market. Nothing is serious, my dear. With your mother, everything is possible. Mama, okay. I'll collect all this. Mama, okay. But assurance is that anywhere I see her, I must beat her up. I will beat her until I kill her. Kusunko bese. Hey! Can I win one Kusunko bese?
Mama, okay.
Magada, mama.
Mama, okay. Mama, okay. Anyway, she enter.
This house, you left here since morning. Left this compound dirty, and you did not cook for me. Did not cook for me. I'm hungry. You did not cook for me. Mama, no. You will not understand. What is it that I will not understand? If I knew that you would be all that wicked and stubborn, I shouldn't have allowed you to stay with me. In fact, go back to your parents. Go back to your parents.
Mama, stop talking like this now. You will not die. See, my friend has been sick since morning. I was running around doing certain things for her. My mama just came back now. Just now.
That means...
And I rushed to the market to buy this thing and come and cook for you. Hey, Mama.
You want me to die untimely? I will not die. And I will not eat this your food. I will not eat it.
Mama, you will eat.
I will not eat.
You will eat this. I will just cook for you now. Very nice. You like it. Fine, Mama. Better. Don't worry. I'll cook for you now. Mama, no food. Let's go inside. Why do you get that?
Okay, Mom, no, it's not true. It's not true. I call you anytime I miss you and I want to hear your voice.
Mama, let me talk to him now before network starts giving problems.
Hey, your sister wants to talk to you. Nico. Oh, should I give her? Okay, let me.
Hello, Brody. Good evening.
Anywhere she enter,
But I don't know what you're saying, no. Let me tell you why I want to talk to you. Brody, I want you to buy me lipstick, red one, no. I want you to buy me eyeshadow, one that has different colors. I want you to buy me shoe. I want you to buy me a handbag. I want you to buy me long, beautiful dress, or gown. What again? Oh. Hey, bro, okay? I want to buy me perfume that will spray, so my friends will know that my brother is in Obodo Yubo. Hey, bro, okay? Okay, that's what I want you to buy for me. Oh. Don't forget to. Bro, she will buy it for me. She will buy it for me. Hey! Bro, if you buy it for me, I'll wait in this village. My friends will be jealous. It is not cause the best. How you do not call best? Thank you, brother. Okay, hold up for Mama. Why is this buying for me? All those things that I listed. Okay, Mom, don't mind your sister. She wants to finish all your money. Buying lipstick and eyeshadow. Nah, Pico, don't forget to send that money today. So I can go to Citibank tomorrow and collect it. You know, it is night here now, but it is morning. So go and pay it now, so I can collect it. I want to withdraw it tomorrow morning, Biko. Thank you, my dear. I trust you. It's a problem. Oh yeah, Gemma. Well, let me tell you, Baba, don't drop it. She says she wants to talk to you to say bye-bye. Let me give her. We're okay? Bye-bye. Let's say bye-bye.
Why did you disobey the announcement? So where are you going to? Please, no. Did you hear the announcement? Everybody, did you hear the announcement? You forgot. You forgot.
Just go and relax. I am coming. Both will go. And the masquerade. They will have it up with you now.
Mama, do you know where I saw them?
Where?
It's that people.
Go and rest.
Let me take the onions.
I'm coming.
Anywhere she enter, she go kill them all. Anywhere she go, she go scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, she go fight them all. Anywhere she go, she go chase them all. See this woman, you get them for her. See this woman, she get them for trouble. No try that woman, you get them for real. You get the power, she go show you say you know you get it. You get the money, she go scatter you well.
Okay, I cannot tell you.
You be king.
I cannot tell you who's in this masquerade.
Yes,
Mama, okay.
So you people have the guts to flog my own labor. Who come? My investment. Eh? My... I'm talking...
Okay, wait, okay.
Everybody know this woman. Come up for road.
So you are the one that...
Okay, leave me.
Come back and flog my daughter again. You left an hungry masquerade. Let me see you again touch my daughter.
Anyway she enter, she go kill them all. Anyway she go, she go scatter them all. Anyway she
Mamuke, onye mchaka, chaka sebafa. Mamuke, onye koka, koka sebafa. Mamuke, onye mchaka, kill them all. Mamuke, onye koka, scatter them all. Anyway she enter, anyway she go, she go scatter them all. Anyway she enter, she go find them all. Anyway she go, she go.
You really tried. Eh?
Mama, I don't need to mention it, You know, we ought to help one another. Yes.
I know.
Mama, I have interest in your daughter.
Yeah, you're making me shy. See who is shy. Somebody is here admiring you, admiring your beauty, and you're covering your face, saying you are shy. Messian.
Mama, I would love to have a few words with her, if you don't mind. Let's just talk briefly. You don't mind?
No problem. Okay. Yeah, you take her out. Go and talk with her. Eh? Go and bring the money. Okay, go on with him. Hey! Mama, sit down. Come on, sit down. Different types. Mama, you won't do this thing 4 years ago. Oh, God.
Mama, it's okay. This is just the beginning, yeah. Yes. It's okay. You deserve the best. It's okay.
Ekene, all is not well. All is not well.
All is not well? What is it now, Yaizu? What is the problem? Problem shared is half solved, though. Eh?
Chioma and her mother is my problem.
Chioma and her mom? Is anything wrong with them? Are they okay?
Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that they have just 2 more days? Just 2 more days to provide all the listed items.
Hey! Izu, do you know I almost forgot? I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, Izu. But Have they not provided the listed items?
I don't think so. You know, money is not easy to come by. And I really want to help them. I want to help them. That's what I wish to do.
Hey! If only Mama OKEY wasn't troublesome, Chioma and her mother wouldn't have been in this problem. Hey?
That evil woman will soon pay for all her evil deeds sooner than she expected.
Honestly, she will.
Eh? You see, there are some things I don't understand how they happen. But you see this one, Mama OKEY is not even my problem. You just have to help them out.
You know what? Let's just go and put our heads together and think about how to help them out of this situation. Okay? Eh?
No. My head, I've tried with my head.
Don't worry. It will be fine. Okay?
What's this I'm noticing? Don't tell me you're shy.
You look into my eyes and ask me if I'm shy.
Well, when I look into your eyes, I see something that is so big and very, very beautiful.
What do you see in my eyes?
Yes, when I look straight into your eyes, I see something that is very big and very beautiful as well.
You don't tell me what you do for a living, or are you a prophet? Because you told me you see the future, and it's only a prophet that can see the future.
Well, I'm not a prophet. I'm a businessman. Yes. Well, when I was coming down to this area, your hood, yes, I actually met some group of boys over there. They were admiring my car. They were actually looking at my wheel and everything. So I had to stop. You know, I greeted them as well. So I was asking, who are you? A particular guy, you know, tall. Yes, he told me he was, he came. Yes, he came, yeah.
He came like a best. That boy is a village scout. What they do in this village is to smoke weed. Yibo, what I call him? Where I call him? Half of my boy actually. Mamu Madu, man can't do, man can't do. What's going on, man?
The thing is, I know how those things could actually be in the village. Yeah, I didn't give them any money, but he likes you.
Hey! Judge Kwese, Makamoki. On a pair pieces. He cannot even chase me because he knows who my mother is. I'm okay. On a go air. Oh, did your police here? Moi, what the investment here or palace here? Hey,
so that there's a place I want to take you to. It's a surprise. So I want you to go straight into the car. Okay? Turn around.
I need to tell my mother.
It's okay. Come on, I'm going to bring you safe back. Mom is not going to know. Believe in me. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Should I come open the door for you?
No.
Should I come open it for you? All right, Jerry. Funny you.
Ikebo. So listen, you have been thinking so many times about this girl, and I've told you one night we're going to Mama Yaga Bagarao. Ugo. Now, Mama Yaga come. Na take go to Mama. Fukifobu. Na take his in house. What that door? I don't even send with him, Mama do me. Hi, on the I'm going to do and one Ibagomo to do one chance or to do more now. See, Ugo. I need to make money. Pure, boom! Hey, they are on point. So listen, when you make this money, if you hammer this money enter town, all the villagers, all these people for this village, what you say we they responsible, go no say we they responsible. Now you're on point. See, people will no believe in us, they must believe. If you see, listen, after God in heaven, the next thing now, money. See, we go make I tell you. If no be money where that guy get, if you know for Melo, Ashimelo, they listen to that guy. And they tell you, I don't even know what in that guy they tell themselves. I tell you, if you make money enter this village, you go know say they get better babes. We'll find past Ebube. Ebube has more shit now. Korean babes, we're sharp. My brother, see, to be a man, I do 12. Hi, to buy a girl and one name on point. Hi, reason you go do with me. Hey, one day, Ebenji go do. Careful, Zilo. Hi, I pass now. Look at the work I pass. Hi,
Hey, my manchi.
Yeah. 7. Alright, sweetheart. I want you to hold on to this. It's for you.
Hey! Yeah. Hold this money for me.
Yeah, for you.
Thank you very much.
It's alright. It's alright. No problem. So tell me, how is Mama?
I think Mama is still busy inside.
Oh, I see.
Let me go and call Mama.
No problem.
Mama! Mao! Mao! Yes. Mahila, you're not going to stay to eat the food again?
Mama, I don't really think so. It's getting late already, so I have to run along, yes. I have to be in the city, of course, you know.
Okay. Have you finished talking with her?
Yes, I'm done talking with her. And I must confess she's wonderful. I like her a whole lot. But the only problem is that she's always very shy.
I'm not shy, you. I'm not shy, you.
Well, it's okay. Mama, I discovered she doesn't have a phone. And anyways, I would wish you hold on to this money.
Eh?
Yes.
Hold on. This one?
Yes.
Eh?
I told you, this is just the beginning.
Hey. Eh?
It's nothing.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Mama, of course, you understand she doesn't have a phone, and I'll be trying to see the possibility of...
Yes. Since the one she has fell into water and stopped working, she doesn't have a phone anymore. But me, I have. So you can always call my own, and I'll give it to her to talk with you.
It's all right. That's manageable for now. It's all right. So, Mama, can I have your cell number? Let me have your phone number.
Yes. 080.
All right. 080.
33.
33.
56.
56.
34.
34.
89.
89. Very well. Mama, I really thank you so much. Of course, you don't need to tell me what I'm going to save your cell number with.
I know.
It's all right. I really appreciate everything. I have to run along.
Please take good care of yourself, eh?
I will.
Drive carefully.
Of course, I will do that. I'll see you guys later.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Why are you calling me like that now? Eh? What is it? What is it? Yes? You are a hypocrite. Okay. How do you mean? Why did you say that?
Mama Okey's gift is like that of the devil. She must insult you tomorrow for having collected her money.
Oh, hey, is that what you mean? Okay. No problem. I have her money in my pocket. That means she has already paid in advance for all the insults she might want to insult me in future. I don't care. Let her insult me. Is that what you mean? Let us go, Biko. She can insult me if she wants. Me, I'm going.
Thank you very much. You really surprised me. See, I was not expecting such help from you. God bless you. And bless you. And bless you.
Amen. Chioma, you know I cannot see you suffer. And I will not see you suffer. Huh? If you were in my shoes, you would have done the same for me.
I know. Of course I will. How happy is my mother? You really are a blessing to us. Thank you very much.
Don't you think you're thanking me too much?
Are you complaining?
I'm happier with you.
Why do you say so?
Because you're different now.
Chika wasn't different.
Chika is a gossip.
Everybody in this village knows. Uju, Ebube and Chika, they are all gossips.
But I wanted to tell you, this is the right time.
Please tell me. I'm listening.
Chika was a good girl, but her friends changed her.
Everyone knows that in this village. Ebube, Chika, and Uju, they're all gossips.
Now let me tell you how I got to know her.
Tell me.
Your steps.
So much. This is my fault actually. I wasn't concentrating. I wasn't thinking straight.
You were thinking about something else. Something bad or good. That you almost injured yourself. Huh?
You sound caring. Are you?
Well, I am. I'm glad talking to you today.
You are?
Yes. You know, I've been seeing you around, but that's the first time we're talking. I'm Ichaka.
Everybody in this village knows your name is Ichaka. Eh? And I'm very sure you know my own too. Anyways, thanks for the help.
Oh, you're welcome. May I ask?
Ask what again? What do you want to ask?
When can I have the opportunity to meet you again like this?
Yeah. Did you know we're going to meet today? This same way we met, we are still going to meet again. Are we not in this village?
Okay, no problem. We're in this village, yeah? I'll be watching out for you. Come on, nice guy.
Your grandma. It's been long I saw her.
That one, she's at home. You don't want to cook for me. You don't want to stay with me. That woman can worry for Africa. What will I be doing at home with such an old woman when I have sharp friends like you?
But she's your mouth and sharp.
You should make her time and spend with her.
That's true. That's true.
See this one. Who is talking? Anyways, my friend, how is your new love?
Which new love?
Your new love.
Chika, new love.
New love, are you talking to?
Chika! Chika, so you have new love now, I don't know. Please tell me the guy's name. Don't form.
It's not funny now.
Please tell me the guy's name now.
Answer the question. What is the guy's name?
Uju, please tell Ebube the new love you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
Why did you start hiding secret from me? Chika, this girl is a thief, oh. This girl is a bloody thief.
This girl.
Hey!
So you want to deny Ichaka now?
Yeah! Chika, what is Ichaka? It's Ichaka that lost his parents a few months back.
Wham!
Hey! Chiki, a woman, oh. You can ask secret to this girl, oh. Would you? Ha! Chika, what you got to do more? You can keep secrets.
Is that a problem? Anyways, my friend, the guy is an orphan. No kind of orphan. I don't know. What do you want from him? What could he give you? I don't know. What are you doing with him?
Chika, you are now relating with an orphan. Chika.
Okay, I've heard you girls. I'll cut him off completely.
Hey, Chika in the building.
Just like Uju rightly said, my friend, it's not good enough for me.
Yes, it's not though.
Yes, it's not good enough for you.
Can we continue?
Let's look for firewood. Money. We need money.
But I want to warn you. Stop keeping secrets. Without Uju revealing this your secret now, could have entered into that one man's house. Eh? And by now you're begging everyone in the village for you to feed yourself. Chika, stop hiding secrets. It's not good to hide secrets from your friends. What are friends for now?
So can we continue now?
Yes.
Let's find firewood. It's not good. Let's continue, please. We need money. Bad girl. Money. How did you even know about it?
Chika, you don't have taste like this. You don't have taste. Looking for a poor.
I don't know how she even found out.
Tell me to look for a rich boy. I'll come and marry you. I'm looking for a poor boy like you. Now, when you start having children, you won't have money to feed your children.
Who told you we don't have money?
Oh,
who told you we don't have money?
I'll be secretive.
You still have money, eh? You still have money.
You want to change?
You still have money, yes.
You change, because you're not hiding secrets. If not for you, I wouldn't have known.
For she know everything.
Chika. Mamoke, onye Ichaka, killing them all. Mamoke, onye Nkuka, scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, Ichaka she go killing them all. Anywhere she go, Ichaka she go scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, Ichaka she go find them all. Anywhere she go, Ichaka she go chance them all. See this woman, she get her for wahala. See this woman, she get them for trouble. No try that woman, you get them for very well. You get the power, she go show you say you know get them. You get the mind, she go scatter you well. You be king, no before her. In a team, Tibakwam no cross a leno. Mamoke, Onyem Chaka Sibafa. Yeah. Anybody will know this woman, come up for road. As she dey come, she no get the break you. If we jam you, nada you go there. Mamoke, Onyem Chaka Sibafa. Mamoke, Onyem Kuka Sibafa. Mamoke, Onyem Chaka, killing them all. Mamoke, Onyem Kuka, scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, Ichaka she go killing them all. Anywhere she go, Ichaka she go scatter them all. Anywhere she enter, Ichaka she go find them all. Anywhere she go, Ichaka she go chance them all. Anybody will know this woman, come up for road. As she dey come, she no get the break you. If she jam you, nada you dey. If she touch you, na scatter you be. If she jam you, you no go escape. I dey tell you, I dey tell you. That's so easy. I'm okay. Mamoke, Onyem Chaka Sibafa. Mamoke, Onyem Kuka.